an issue. Now, ironically, is I have a light like this. It's in my storage unit. For some reason, I took it out of my truck. I think what it was is I had two boxes of lights, and I decided to go down to just one box. And so I have a red one. You know, that probably would be okay temporarily. I don't know. I think that'd be odd. But that's the light right there. That's the connector. That's the light. You just need it in yellow. So I think what I'll do is, I don't want to change the wire harness. I think I'll put this light back in since it is working somewhat. And then we'll stop at truck stop, see if I can find another light like this. And then we'll make that a pretty easy repair. So what we do is just got to get the right light, and then we'll reconnect this. All right, I've already drilled out the rivets, and then once you replace the light, you can use self-tapping screws or some other screws and just screw that in. You know, I think self-tapping screws will be the best. But I could change the wire harness, but I think that's really unnecessary. I mean, if the light wasn't working at all, and I absolutely had to have a light, then I would cut that wire harness out, and I'd put this wire harness in. So it's a different 3-prong connection versus that one. Okay, because this light has a different connection. But I think we've isolated the problem. The problem is this light's starting to go bad, the LED is starting to go bad, and all we gotta do is stop at Petro, and rather than put in a work order, we'll go in and we'll look for this particular type of light. And then if we can get this light, what we'll do is we'll just take this one out, put the new one in, and then we'll put self-tapping machine screws in there to hold it in. I think that would be like a 15-minute repair. So got all my tools out. That was kind of a fun project. You know, I do enjoy doing some of this stuff. I do enjoy troubleshooting and trying to figure stuff out. I could definitely make that light work if I had to. But since this light does work a little bit, I think we're good until we get to the Petro, which is 30 miles from here. And then we'll look for a replacement light and then go ahead and do the repair ourselves. All right, guys, that's all I got for you.